If you want to connect any other computer wherever you are through your smartphone or computer, then you can do it by using this software. It's free for personal use, small in size, easy to use than any other remote desktop software, and also multi-platform support like Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and many more. You need an active internet connection for this. So let's do it. Install AnyDesk on this computer. Click this, accept and install. This is error for printer driver of AnyDesk. Ignore this. Close this window. Okay. Now, this is the desk address provided by AnyDesk, which is unique for each computer, and the desktop can be accessed with this address only. And of course, without accepting requests, no one can access your desktop. So no need to panic using this application. This setting password for unattended access is not necessary. However, it's your choice. Enter the AnyDesk address of the desktop that you want to connect. I'm going to connect another desktop, and its desk address is 080.011.260. Click connect. Now that desktop will receive request confirmation dialog. If request is accepted, then only connection is made. And if you dismiss the request, then one cannot access your desktop. I'm clicking accept to let my PC connect and access this desktop. Okay, so this is the desktop of another computer that I haven't accessed through AnyDesk. I'm minimizing this window. Okay. Look. Now I can transfer, delete, anything. Now I want to send this file. Copy, I want to send here, paste. Okay, this one is sent in another desktop. I can also move the file. Delete the files of another desktop. And also I can copy the file from here. So let's copy this file from another desktop to my PC. Look. You can also do more stuff like open anything